boat show. Actually, this is not, what is this called, man? It's not just a, go ahead and tell me what it said. I don't know. How y'all doing? I don't know what it said, but.
It's the Gulf Coast Boat Camper Truck Show.
Okay. That's where we at, ladies and gentlemen. Me and my first mate, we got to check it out. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Which one is it? Which boat is it? I thought. I was just trying to be. I was just trying to be fun.
Don't go tell them that we're giving away. Maybe we'll get some people over here to do that.
So you guys are with Ocean Marine?
We're with Rough Water. That's Ocean Marine.
Okay, Rough Water. Where that at? Goshen? Yeah, I've seen the Ocean Marines, but
we got our boat from, what was it, Coastal Marine, and
Yeah.
closed down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you all have a blessed day.
Thank you, y'all too.
Now this boat right here, this will work back in that bracket. Oh man, it look at that. It's dented up pretty bad there. I wonder what happened. Got a center console. But they mostly sell them Key West and stuff.
We went on to Key West at that other place.
Right. You've been over to them too. Let's see what they looking at. This is a 2025.
Oh, okay.
It's only 23 feet, but it looks bigger, don't it? It looks a lot bigger. This is a tide water. It says 23 feet, but it looks a whole lot bigger. It got a Garmin. The back is kind of like closed in. Let's see what we got as for the power here. Got a 300 V6 4-liter here, and that'll work. It got the trim tabs. It's kind of like the newer trim tabs, but it don't have a jack plate on it or anything. But still, that's a good price. And the Key West, this is a pretty good little size boat too. I like it. 23 footer. It's the same length as this boat that it's next to. Got a T-top. It's also equipped with a Garmin. Pretty good looking boat. Yeah, babe, I told you this is where we come. This is where I come. I usually fish on the end. We come in the boat. We come right on the end. There's some pipes sticking out there.
I was hoping there would be more people giving away ink cans.
Doing what? Huh?
I was hoping there was more places giving away ink cans.
This is a cobia here, and it is sticker price $136. It says a rebate applied. Labor Day savings. It's not bad, man. 24-foot boat. It's really nice. And it's equipped with a Garmin as well. Got two 150, two 150 sitting on the side. Right next to it, it's got a blue bay. It's a 24-footer as well. It's not bad. Well, this boat here is, they on it, sticker price on it is $82,000, and it's a 24-foot, and it is powered by a 250. That's my favorite engine. This one is a good price. It's, huh? Yeah, 79. Yeah, we okay.
I paid $54 for it.
That's a good price.
But it's two engines in it. Twin engine.
Uh-huh.
Get out
That's
of town.
Yeah, but I think I like this better.
This is a nice center console, and I think I don't see no instruments in it. So this is without the 79. It don't have the Garmin or nothing
I
displayed.
didn't either.
Really?
I didn't have anything
Yeah.
in it. It was just bare. And I got a soft top. I don't even have the hard
Yeah,
top.
you got the Bimini.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like this boat out of all the boats I've looked at here.
So if you got your instruments and it don't have a trim tab on it or nothing, but it do got the
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, I don't have that on my
Yeah.
pit boat. Everybody gets in it. We're going. It's tilted. I gotta make it.
especially when you got one guy that's a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
Not picking on nobody, but
That's exactly right.
oh, this
Without
is
that.
a 23 feet foot, but I thought it was a 24, but it's 23. That's still a good price.
Yeah.
This Pathfinder's a 24, but it don't look too much bigger, do it? See, this one got the jack plane, and it got the trim tabs, and they want 127, and it got the instruments in it.
Yeah. That Yamaha's a good boat too.
I ain't never heard that. Is that a Garmin? Yeah, it got the Garmin in it, and it got a little bit bigger engine. What does it got up here? A 300, 350?
Yeah, it's a 300.
300, yeah. Pathfinders, I think, make a good boat. Every time you see them, I ain't never, seen anybody that own one have a complaint about it.
You know what? This thing's got a jack plate too.
That's what I said, yeah.
It goes up down, don't it?
Yeah.
That's a whole nother.
Yeah, that'll help it maneuver shallow water.
Yeah.
And some of them, they don't say nothing. I like this, how they got this too, for the trailer. Some of them don't say that the trailer don't come with it.
Right.
Until you get ready to purchase it. What am I going to do with it?
You know, I've only paid one note on mine. I ain't even got nothing on it yet. I didn't realize it was you didn't get it.
This boat ain't got no.
But I can go around all day on them twin engines for about
Yeah.
$40, $50.
It don't have the in-hull transducer. It only got the one on the outside.
Yeah.
Well, I like both, so that wouldn't be no showstopper for me. I like them both, and that's a 25-footer.
That's a fine.
This Blackjack make a pretty good 25-footer.
Yeah, I got that deep well. Mine's a deep well.
Is it?
Yeah. I'm kind of scared to take something like that way out. A shallow well like that.
See, this one got the power poles, and it's the same price as that one over there.
Y'all going home in one today? Do you?
Say we're going where?
Going home with the
No, we got a yeah.
I've seen them.
And
How long? You haven't been that long.
It's $1 billion, ain't
$1 billion and something.
it? Yeah.
I've never played, but I figured I did.
Just remember, if you win, we are the best friends you ever had.
I know. That's why they call my nickname Buddy.
There you go, buddy. There you go, buddy.
Everybody always calls me
Uh,
Research.
Well, he's got like a YouTube channel.
There you go.
mm.
Well, guys, y'all have a great day.
You too.
Thanks, you as well.
Wonder why this one.
Over
Oh,
here.
this is a 27 foot. I finna say, why is this one so much? This is $187, but it's got 3 more feet. It has the I like
First
this.
thing my old lady says is I need to get one of those.
What is the? You know, a lot of the beam.
She's been in Alaska for the last almost 3 months working, and I bought the boat without her, and everybody in the family's already went. She's like, even the first one got mad about it. Golfing on land until Hurricane Katrina hit.
265. Got the Garmin. Got a nice top on it. I like that. This is a Cobia, 26 feet. Actually looks good. And it looks good price on it, but it has 200 sitting on the back. And you know, it got the trim plank on it. It's a nice boat here. Got the door on the side. I like it. Swim door. The dive door.
Are we going to eyeball the pontoon boats that are?
Yeah. This joker got a 250 on it.
That is not a nice price for that size.
It's really big and nice. Yeah. They don't have no small ones up in here. This is a nice boat. It got the 3 pontoons underneath it. Well. I don't know where this is at, but this cobia came from let's see, Berlin's Marine. And I don't think they intended for you to get in them because there's no way you can climb up on top of them. If it was, I'd give you a better view of it. This boat has a jack plane pushing a 300. And this is a blackjack. I like the look on these blackjacks. They look really nice. This is a 22 footer.
They're sharp.
And that looks good. I probably wouldn't go with this color, but yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
I don't know which one this is. If we look at them, Crown Leisure. Got Abbott representing. I don't know if we still got a dealer in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. That's where we from. And I don't know if they got a dealer there. Sportsman. And this is only 22 feet. But don't it look big?
It looks very nice.
Don't it look a lot bigger?
It does.
It got the aquarium live well back here. the Sportsman. 23 feet. I don't know why they look much bigger, but it's only 23 feet. Like it got twin Garmins on it.
This one has stairs.
Huh?
These two have stairs to get on.
Oh, do they? 300 on it, pushing it. And this bad boy, this is what it shows. Regular price, it says, is $182 with MSRP, and then it got it. What they had for the boat show is $119. That's almost. I don't know what the deal to say about that. That's unheard of. Oh, this is my boat right here now. Look at that, guys. Walk out the door with 48.5. Center console, 21 footer. About the same price you'd pay for a bass boat, but with a lot more boom and bang. A little deeper. Sea Pro. I think all of these got a 300 on it. It's looking good. Trim tabs on it.
It says that can seat 11 people.
11 people. It's a 24 footer, I would imagine. This guy got two 200s pushing it. Trim tabs. And this Sea Pro here. This is a 26 footer now. This is nice. Tuna door. That's really nice. Sea Pro makes some nice boats. This is a Rogue. It looks real good. Yes, sir.
Wow.
And look at here, babe.
Okay.
Go. Whoa. And see, what's the name them got it so they pull their stuff up in here. And it comes with the generator. Looks good. Got a deck on the outside. Looks good. And this is nice.
It is very nice.
Yes, sir. Man, this joke got a fireplace, surround sound, cabinet, a 2-drawer refrigerator, stove, microwave, sink, a sofa, and I would imagine what the bedroom looks. Oh, bedroom. This is nice. Don't look like all this is in here.
Yeah.
This is really nice. What the price at? The overhead shade. Fifth wheel.
What's the price?
I didn't see it. This one is this one look bigger. Okay, let's drive to where we want to go. Okay, smells mighty new in here.
Oh wow. Shoot, we could make this happen.
Yes, sir.
Look, sleeping quarters.
Oh yeah,
I can sleep there.
83. That's the day's price.
Mm-hmm.
83. This bathroom, shower, not too shabby.
Storage, I guess.
Yeah. Got the sink, burner, microwave, refrigerator. Not too shabby. Got some sleeping quarters. Got a little small TV area.
And yeah, you probably could sleep on here too. Remember how? Yeah,
I bet you a lot of it folds down and folds back.
does something.
Yeah, it's doing something. Hopefully this one got the numbers. I can see a big TV here. It's kind of similar to this.
I was
Oh,
gonna say it looks a little bit like what Artie and
this is a house, man. This is a house. TV,
oh my god.
fireplace.
Oh my god, this is like the whole family.
This is a house here. Oh, me.
Yeah, if you
What's
pay
what?
89.9.
That's all.
Mm-hmm.
And it's 125, but at the for right now it's only 89 discount prices.
The whole family, babe.
Well, they didn't tell it. Yeah, man. If somebody was looking to get one of these, and this is bigger than some houses that I've been in. I know it's bigger than the house we had in South Carolina. Oh yeah. Got a washer, dryer, head, our bathroom, should I say?
Walk-in closet.
Got another heat. I don't see a TV up here. Normally they would have a, but who needs a TV in the
The
bedroom?
other one, uh, the other one had like a what do you call it? Projector screen.
Yeah. Whoa, this is a mighty big closet.
A walk-in closet.
A walk-in closet here. This is a monster, guys. Yes, sir. We get rid of that house we got and get this year, and we can take this house with us wherever we want to go.
Yeah. This is what a lot of, well, I'm not going to say a lot of people. I know that there are people who do that.
Yeah.
Rather than have a mortgage, they ride in their house.
Their mortgage goes with them.
Yep.
Now this year probably affordable for the McNabb family. This got a sunset out on the outside of it. Yeah, let's go see what we can afford, babe. This is being our oh yeah. We should have went in this first and then went in the other one last.
Okay, I guess that's just like a little. Oh, that's going to be washer dryer.
Yeah. Yeah, we should have went in that other one
And
first.
see, this is a projector screen too.
See, look here, babe.
What?
Now we can afford
You
this.
can afford that.
Yeah.
Ay, Dios mío.
Yeah, I got a projector screen here too. And it said Thomasville. I guess in
That's just a name for
the
furniture.
front of furniture. Wonder how much they want for that forklift.
The what, baby?
That forklift. Ooh, the cow. Tracer. And this is, you got a ball on it, so. Oh, let's go check out this van. Oh, yeah. Let's see. I know this is outside our range. Way outside, probably.
Oh, wow. Yeah, 109.
Yeah.
But it's because you're getting a vehicle.
Two with it, yeah.
Yeah.
And somebody done said you can pay $899 a month. That's a house,
So
baby.
now this is kind of funky because look. Then this becomes a shower right here with this. Look.
Yeah, yeah. From outside, it looked like it's got that look like an airplane right here.
Well, it's designed like an airplane because you got the lab in the back.
Okay. Yeah. Got a little microwave and I would say a refrigerator. It's probably locked some kind of way to keep it from opening up when you ride.
Yeah.
I bet
Here it is.
me and Florida, this would be a good fishing vehicle.
Okay, but so if you win the lotto, then that's what you can get one.
You gotta play to win.
Well, we're gonna. Oh, I wanted to look at the one that looked more like Artie's now. Oh, we went in that one. What this one, I guess.
We didn't go in that one there. This one we didn't go in.
No, I thought we came out of that one because you said.
No, we went in
Oh,
that
we
one.
came out of that one. This really looks like what they had, yeah?
Yeah. All of them do anything. Does he have a fifth wheel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you got a cooler underneath here.
Got a lot of storage under there too. I know that look like a refrigerator.
Oh my.
Is it all that? Uh-oh.
Am I blind? Why is it only $69.9? What?
Hold it up.
What is happening?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. They drop it down 20 more thousand. We'll hook up to it.
We have to get the type of truck that you put the thing in it, don't you?
Yeah, I would like to have nothing smaller than a 2500. Get a 3500. And then I get a fifth wheel to put in the back. It's more to it than just what we see, yeah.
And that's why that's such a good price because you would have to put the majority of your money to the vehicle that's hauling that.
Yeah, because that's going to be the workload. Oh, this ain't bad, babe. This ain't bad at all.
But I liked Artie's and Liddell's because you could sleep. How many people did they say you could sleep? 6 or 8? You know, because they had those upstairs.
In the back.
But I think these, something turns into sleep or something here. Just look.
Yeah. I don't imagine it do. I wouldn't have to turn it in nothing. I'd sleep on it just like that. I can feel the breeze on this. Turn that noise. We have to be hollering at our neighbor. Hey, turn that noise down. Neighbor. Let's look in that one. Yep. We actually came just to look at boats, but as you can see, our mind went away from the boats. This is an east to west, east to west.
This is one that has a washer dryer already installed.
Mm-hmm. The other one had a washer and a dryer.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, not that big though. Holy cow, wasn't even close to being this big.
Oh, it's got a retractable TV day. So, you know, we didn't pay attention to that one where you said you didn't see a TV.
It probably was down inside
Whether
there.
or not it had a retractable. It might have.
Oh man. Oh man. Okay. Yep, you can call Art and them and tell them we almost got our house, our sleeping quarters. Tell them that they've cut off about an acre.
Wow. This is 99.
How much?
99.
And you want to ask yourself why? 99.
Well, I wonder if it would have to come with all of the things, right? Or does it just come in the shell without, and maybe that's,
I don't
we'll
know.
have to ask, because I can't imagine that you would get all these appliances and other furniture and stuff. So
Okay.
it's probably without.
Everything everything you see in here. Where the tag at?
See, I just think it just is the RV and you have to buy everything else.
No.
Are you sure?
I'm
Let's ask someone. Because like you said, that's less than.
He's scared to pull it.
Ah,
That thing just like a house.
yeah.
It's sad.
I'm scared to pull it, boy. I just dream when I walk.
We just get you a big parking lot and practice. That's what we gonna do. No,
Yeah.
let me quit lying.
You know, and this inspired us because my former coworker and best friend came to visit us, and they had one.
Yeah.
And we were like, "What?"
Make you want to.
Make you want.
Is that a deck?
Yeah,
That
yeah.
over there to have a
This
deck.
one right here is, which one was only 69?
Yeah, so it's.
And this one is 100 and something.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
that one is
89.
89.
Yeah. One of them was
I've been in there,
69.
That's beautiful.
Yeah,
That's a big one there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, you guys.
Y'all
Yeah.
have a blessed one.
I don't even want to look in the little ones no more. I'm done with them little rascals.
But they still have. They have their own little charm. Like my girlfriend Michelle and her husband Carl have a
Small one.
small one because it's just the two of them. They don't have no kids or nothing.
Mhm.
It looks kind of like this.
That ain't bad. See what they cost.
Val. Now they ain't no Val. It's 29,000. What? What? What?
$200 and some dollars a month.
Now it says it retails at 38. But I am really.
Yeah.
That is just blank. With
You work
no-
here?
I'm the Gulfstream rep. I build them.
Do everything come in this?
Yeah, everything you see comes in it. Yep.
Get out of town.
Yep.
Okay.
Wow.
And the prices that we see, that's minus the tax.
Correct. So you'll have to tax on it.
Okay.
And stuff. Yep. But the prices you see on them are special because we're here at a show. So if you go to the lot, it's gonna be more.
Back to where it's
Yep.
at.
Yep.
So give me a card so when I go to the lot I can say, we was there.
Russ said.
Yeah.
That's what Russell said. He told us.
Now, all the guys under the tent there, they work for the dealership. I work for the manufacturer that builds them.
Gotcha.
So yeah. Any of them, they'll have cards under there and info for you if you want to get some info on them.
All right.
Hi.
Yeah, yeah.
You need a bottle of water? Right on.
Yeah. I'm good, man. Yes, man.
I'm not gonna tell you which one it is. I'll tell you now.
Where is that?
Right there.
Right there.
Okay.
Y'all signed, y'all did a little raffle. Y'all fill out the little raffle paper. Mm. Oh,
I had actually taken a video when they were driving away.
you know when we came in the other one,
Huh?
I guess the door is up here that we came in.
Okay. Because it's. I love
When we
this.
first come in, all the big stuff was over there. Yeah, and this is only 6 to 8.
Yeah, I know that both of these are sleepers, and probably this too. So maybe two people, 2, 4, 6, and then the main people.
Mm-hmm.
Really want to be crazy. An air mattress right here. You know what I mean?